Hi, this is Candy Shaw with Tips and Tricks, and this is Sunday, not Tuesday, but we are at the IBS show here in New York City, and I have these amazing students that just took my class. Yay! We had a ton of it, and now we're setting up for balayage, but there was a big question about the chunking shear, the holy grail. This shear right here is game changer. Why? Because when you want to get those looks where you separate the air and the hair and you get more of movement without getting frizz, this is your answer. We have curly hair here, very, very curly, very textured hair, been pre-bleached, double bleached, triple bleached, whatever it is, right? But when you use a razor on this type of hair, what happens is the cuticle of that layer or that hair really explodes. What makes this shear great is it actually cuts the divots into the hair without removing and or making that hair look frizzy. So when I go into Anaya's hair, I'm just gonna go straight in here at the scalp, and you'll see that what happens is I am literally divoting into that hair. And when I bring that hair out, it creates that air and that movability into that hair. So when I come back in with my product, I've created all that air in the hair, but without creating the frizz. So the chunking shear can be used directly down at the scalp. It can also be used on a longer layer of hair when you want to carve or open up the air at the ends of the hair. So it's not just for short hair, not just for bobs, not just at the scalp. It can be used in all kinds of ways. But what it's really truly doing is cutting that divot, and that divot allows you to keep the girth on the ends of the hair and actually get that air within the mids and the scalp of the hair. So get yourself some chunking shears at, let's see, sunlightspro.com, or maybe you can come to our booth here at IBS, but in the event that you can't make it here, we've always got your back. And I guess we've also got your hair and your scissors too. So stay tuned for more tips and tricks with Candy Shaw. It's a pleasure.